guys, I just bought Minoxidil for the first time, and it helps in growth treatment according to what I had. Like, it's very powerful. So I don't really have hair loss though, but the fact is that I just wanted to try and see how it's going to work, maybe in my side beards, and see how fast it's going to go. So they say here it's not for women, only for men. So if you're a lady, please don't try this. If you're a lady, just like and subscribe and leave this video alone. Okay, so let's get to it, and apply twice daily. So maybe morning and evening, I guess. Yeah. So okay, using more often will not improve results. Okay. So if you're using it often, 3 times in a day, 4 times in a day, it will still be the same results. Once you're bad, God no go show us. So anyways, let's get to it. So this is my side base, and I'm about to apply it for the first time. But I'll be trying this every day, and I'll be giving you guys weekly updates. So I'm getting a cotton wool, yeah, because I did not see any instrument to use, so I just like, okay, let me just use cotton wool instead. So one crazy stuff about this is that it doesn't open like that, so you have to like press it in. Okay, like press it in, then you have to wind it like clockwise so it will like open. So I pour out some on the cap of the container, and yeah, I dip my cotton wool in it and I get to it. So that's it. So if you noticed, I removed my cap because I had to try it to my hairline, because I think my barber ruined my hairline. So if you notice, this is not the real hairstyle I normally carry normally. So I had to just like try it to my hairline and see if it will improve. Yeah, the barber ruined my hairline. So yeah, if you notice, it's not like a V shape or something. Anyways, yeah, but I actually like this new hairstyle though. I don't know if you think it's cool. Let me see your comment down in this comment section below. Anyways, I think that will be all for this week. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.